Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make steamed tofu, then so can you. The technique of steaming tofu dates back centuries and remains used as a method of preparation across China and Asia today. While it can be enjoyed on its own with a simple soy sauce-based dressing that we're going to show you how to make today, steamed tofu is also commonly paired with a variety of vegetables, creating a diverse range of flavorful dishes. Whether served as an appetizer, side dish, or main dish, steamed tofu will definitely become one of your favorites. So let's leap right into it and start with the sauce. In a bowl, the first thing we're going to start with is 1 tablespoon of chili oil. To the oil, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We added a little bit less while we were filming because I can't handle spice and my family wanted me to be able to enjoy this dish as well. Next, we're going to add 2 cloves of diced garlic. Then half a stalk of a green onion. We're just looking to use the white thicker part closer to the bottom. Then 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Next is 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Make sure that if you want to make your dish truly vegetarian, you omit the oyster sauce. After that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of black vinegar. And if you don't have black vinegar, you can just use white vinegar. And our last ingredient for the sauce is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You can also add some optional freshly diced chili peppers. Make sure you stir all that together thoroughly, as well as hitting the like and subscribe buttons. So now let's talk about the tofu. In this recipe, we're going to be using firm tofu, but if you really prefer the texture of silky tofu, you could use that as well. In this recipe, we're using half the package that we usually use. The packages that we buy are 700 grams, so this recipe is using 1 block of 350 grams of firm tofu. You can see here Uncle Fred is cutting them into slices, kind of just like cutting a block of cheese. He's trying to make each slice a little bit thicker than 1/4 inch. When he has all the slices made, he's going to turn the block and then slice all the slices in half, just to make them a little bit smaller and easier to pick up. Arrange them in a plate with high edges, lightly overlapping each other. They can be in any pattern you want, just so long as they all fit in the plate. Now we're heading over to the steamer on the stove. We're going to be putting both the bowl of sauce and the plate of tofu in the steamer at the same time. Put your bowl of sauce on the bottom, the plate of tofu on top, put the lid on it, and then steam it for 8 minutes. Once again, make sure the water was already boiling before you added your dishes and closed it up. After steaming for 8 minutes, you can remove the lid. Most likely your tofu plate will have gathered some water in it just like this. That's okay if that happens, just take it to the sink and carefully drain the water away from your tofu. Be careful removing both dishes from the steamer because they're going to be extremely hot. After draining the water from the tofu, you can pour the sauce over top. Here you can see some optional chili peppers that Uncle Fred decided to add. Because apparently my family enjoys walking a fine line between the food that I can actually eat and the spiciness that they actually enjoy. And there you have it, a very easy, very healthy steamed tofu. Of course, you can make this soy sauce dressing as spicy or as mild as you want it to be. All you need to do is just increase or lower the amounts of chili oil and chili peppers. Give it a try for yourselves and let us know how it went for you down in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And if you did, you can let us know by hitting the like button. We release a new video every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.